Hi guys, today we have this Hisense dishwasher. It has a problem with the E4 code error. This is H6DSS type model and this is top table dishwasher. So this machine has a problem with the E4 code. I'm gonna try to check. This is the inside of our dishwasher. Okay, most of the case the E4 code happen when there are so many water here. So water is not going out to the drain, so it will make the machine sending the signal that the water is clogging and it will showing E4 error code. So how to check if there are some clogging here? I already inspect all the machine. The only way to check this area is from the bottom, because all the main electrical parts are in the bottom of this machine. It means that we need to check the bottom of the machine. And yeah, let's get started. And also you can check the water clogging from opening here. I will try to open the screws. This is the plus screws. And you can lift up like this from this side. Lift up. And basically the water will go out to the drain through this hole. So this section is from the motor. Motor will push the water from here into here. I already cleaned this, so there is no clogging anymore. If the clogging is mild, it's not heavy, you may clean with your hands or using a flexible wire, a plastic wire, to push the leftover food or leftover soap. You can do it inside the machine. But if the blockage is heavy, you need to open the bottom of the machine and remove the pipe and check if the pipe is have a clogging or not. And this is the sensor, the black thing. This is the sensor. Yeah, I'm gonna show you in the moment when I open the bottom of the machine where the water is going and where the water is coming. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, to check this machine from bottom, this is the bottom. I need to make the machine is rotate 90 degrees like this, and I pull out the inlet pipe. So you can see clearly now the bottom area. As you can see, we have several clips here to open. This is 2, 1, 2, and from side we have 1, 2, 3, and from bottom we also have 2 clips. I'm gonna try to open this, and we have this clip also, and this one. So I'm gonna try to use this screwdriver, minus screwdriver, or this one, the smaller one. Okay, it's open. Now the bottom side. Okay, it's open. Oops, we have a cable here attached. We need to unplug. Maybe I'm gonna need lubricant oil. Maybe this one is already corrosion or... Okay, this is the part that I mentioned before. This is our motor. This motor will push the water to the blade. This is the middle blade that's spraying all the clean water, and this also spraying the water to the filter area. So water will push from here and go out to here, this gray pipe, and going outside. So basically that's the main process of this dishwasher machine. And in this section, this is a power supply to supply all the power to the motor and other units. So yeah, most of the case you need to open this pipe, this drain out pipe. You need to open this, the ring, and check if there's any leftover food or something stuck inside this pipe that making the water is blockage. And the most easiest method to clean the blockage from the pipe is you can rinse the machine with pure water, no soap, no nothing, just pure water, several cycles. It will push all the dirt, all the debris, all the blockage come out from the machine. Okay guys, the E4 codes showing again because I forgot to connect the cable here after we open the bottom cover. So we need to open again and plug the cables. So actually this also causing the E4 code is showing. We marked the cable before, this is the black one. I already sandpapered this also before. It was showing a symptom of corrosion. We need to spray with lubricant oil or sandpaper it to make sure it is connected and not blocking with the rust or corrosion. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's plug to the power. And let's turn on the machine. And yeah, now it's working. After I plug the cables, the sensor cables, so we can choose the program now. Let's see the water level here. Okay guys, to maintain this machine, you can do several tips from me as a technician. The first tip is you need to make sure your inlet water is open, the open position, before you turn on the machine. And the second tip is you need to make sure that you remove all the dishes from the large debris or large leftover food before you input all the dishes inside the machine, so it will reduce the possibilities of clogging. And number 3 tips is use only the recommended soap for this machine, especially the liquid one. I'm not recommended using a powder soap because in the long run it will make a deposit, it will make a stain inside the pipe and make a clogging or blockage. And number 4 tips from me, that's the most important to maintain this machine run smoothly, is maybe once a week you need to run the machine without the soap, without the dishes, only the clear water. Just do the regular cleaning without dishes and without soap, only the clear water. So it will push all the leftover food or leftover soap, so the water flow will be run smoothly without any blockage or clogging. And Yeah, I guess that's the tips from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is help. Thank you for your like and subscribe for my videos. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. See you later and bye bye.